I bought a Detroit house for $18,000. Rented it for $1,100 a month. That's a 73% cash-on-cash return. Detroit is the best-kept secret in real estate right now. Investors from all over the country are flocking to the Motor City, and for good reason. The city's comeback story is one for the ages. After decades of decline, Detroit is experiencing a resurgence, and it's not just the auto industry that's driving the growth. New businesses are popping up left and right, from tech startups to artisanal coffee shops. And with heavy hitters like Amazon and Ford investing millions in the city, it's clear that Detroit is on the move. But what really gets my attention is the population comeback. Young professionals and families are moving back to the city, attracted by the affordable housing, vibrant cultural scene, and a sense of community that's hard to find in other cities. And then there's Dan Gilbert, the billionaire founder of Quicken Loans, who's been buying up properties in downtown Detroit and transforming them into trendy office spaces and apartments. His vision for the city is ambitious, and it's already paying off. Neighborhoods that were once neglected are now thriving, with new restaurants, bars, and shops opening up all the time. So, where are the best places to invest in Detroit? The 8 Mile Corridor is a hotspot, with its affordable housing and easy access to the suburbs. Corktown is another up-and-coming neighborhood, with its trendy bars and restaurants in proximity to downtown. And East English Village is a hidden gem, with its beautiful historic homes and strong sense of community. But here's the best part, the entry price points are incredibly low. You can buy a house in Detroit for as little as $10,000, or as much as $80,000. And with the right property management, you can generate serious cash flow. Let's do the math. A $40,000 house, rented for $800 a month, with expenses of $300 a month, that's a $500 monthly profit. And with a 20% down payment, that's a 40% cash-on-cash return. Now, I know what you're thinking, how do I get in on this action? That's where we come in. At the Detroit Wholesaler, we specialize in connecting investors with the best properties in Detroit. Our team of experts has years of experience in the Detroit real estate market, and we know how to find the hidden gems that will generate the highest returns. We take care of everything from property management to renovations, so you can just sit back and collect your checks. So, if you're ready to get in on the Detroit comeback, give us a call at 313-800-9790. Or visit our website at nationbuyshouses.com. Don't miss out on this opportunity to make 40% returns in one of the hottest real estate markets in the country. The comeback is real, and it's not just for Detroiters. It's for anyone who's willing to take a chance on this incredible city. So, what are you waiting for? Invest in Detroit today, and start generating the returns you deserve. The city is on the move, and we're excited to have you along for the ride.